Number 1. Spacecraft is Voyager 1, which entered interstellar space in 2012. And the film time is present at a distance of 22 billion kilometers from Earth and is sending pictures of this universe to NASA. In number 2. Earth, we see one life every day, but there is such a planet in our solar system, whose total is 79 moons. Yes, Jupiter, which is 907 million kilometers away from Earth, has a total of 79 moons. Mercury and Venus are such places in our solar system that do not have a single moon. According to number 3 science, humans came on Earth 50,00,000 years ago. But our solar system is 450,00,000,000 years old, even before the arrival of humans. Number 4. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in our world, which is the world's highest mountain. The tall building is 10 times bigger than the Burj Khalifa. But the surprising thing is that a mountain 3 times bigger than Mount Everest is present on the march, which is known as Lumps Mons. The speed of number 5 light is 180,00,000,000 km per hour. If a thing continues to travel in space at this speed for 1 year, and after 1 year whatever distance it will decide, it is called 1 light year. Number 6. Our meaning is part of the Milky Way galaxy, and this galaxy, it is as big as 1,05,700 light years, and there are 125 billion such galaxies present in the entire universe, which we have so far clued to the number 7, meaning the weight of the Sun, according to an estimate 3,30,000 times more than number 8. Total 11 people had stepped on the Moon. According to NASA, the traces of their shoes are still present on the Moon and will never be found because there is no air on the Moon that can destroy the target. Number 9, if a person's weight is 80 kilograms on the ground, then after going on the march, his weight will be reduced by 60%, i.e. only 48 kilograms. Because on the march there is less gravity than the Earth. One day on the number 10 Earth is a full 24 arcs, but on March 1st day is of 24 hours 39 minutes and 35 seconds. Similarly, 1 year on Earth is of 365 days, but on March 1st year is of 687 days. Because Mars is more distant from Surat than Earth, then it takes more time to go round the Sun. The diameter of number 11 Moon is 3,474 kms. This means that if the Moon wants to fit in America, it can comfortably. Despite that, there will still be a lot of space left in America. Number 12 High waves in the ocean are not caused by the wind, but because of the Moon, because the Moon's gravity pulls the water on the Earth towards it. Number 13 Pluto is so small in size that it can fit in India too. Number May 14th Be possible to count the hair of the head, but it is not possible to count how many stars there are in the sky. According to a rock estimate of the institutions, there is a need to win sand all over the world. Even more stars are present in space. Number 15 International Space Station is the biggest and most expensive thing ever made by man in space. If any liquid is released free in number 16 space, it will automatically become this fair. Number 17 Meaning is 3 parts water and 1 part land. Only 5% of the water on Earth we humans have explored, but on March 18,00,000,000 km away from Earth, humans have so far sent 15 objects in search of water. No matter how big a telescope is in the world, more than 5% of the universe cannot be seen. Number 19 Sunlight takes 10 minutes to reach the ground. That is, during sunset, when the sun is at this point, it has actually set, but we know after 10 minutes. The number 20 International Space Station takes 16 rounds of our world in 24 hours. That is, in every 92 minutes, he completes a complete round. Number 21 In 2016, institutions received a radio signal from space which came from about 5 billion light years away. Which means that at the time when the signal was transmitted from such a distance, At that time our world did not even exist. On the number 22 meaning, we have seen water, rain and snow falling from the sky, but the rain on Venus is of sulfuric acid. And instead of snow, iron falls from the sky. Number 23 space is absolutely silent. Astronauts present together in such a silent space cannot even hear each other's voice, because the sound comes to our ears through the air, which is not present in space. Astronauts' height increases to 5 centimeters as soon as they go into the number 24 space, because of the lack of gravity in space. The bone joints present inside the human being expand. Number 25 can easily see 90% of the population present on the International Space Station Earth. Whenever a star-like thing is seen moving fast in the sky, then understand that it is the International Space Station. Astronauts cannot be covered in number 26 space, because of the absence of gravity. How can the food in the stomach not separate from it? Similarly, due to lack of gravity, the pen does not work in space. Number 27 every year the moon is getting away from our world by 4 centimeters. Number 28, of course, Earth and Mars share the same face, but there is a torment from the Earth person. And on Mars, there are countless asteroids moving in the blue number 29 space, which can cause great harm if they enter our world. But there is a plant that keeps us safe by pulling the asteroids coming on our Earth, and that is the planet Jupiter, which is the largest planet in our solar system and because of its gravity, attracts most of the story. Number 30, the land in our world is made of stone and soil, but there exists a planet 40 light years away from our world where instead of soil and stone, only diamond is diamond and split. Has been named as Super Earth. When viewed from the ground, the sky looks blue and space pictures are black. Because light is made up of 7 colors. When sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, how does the blue color collide with the Earth's atmosphere due to its short wavelength, due to which the blue color light spreads in the sky, and due to this we get the sky blue looks. When the sun is not present at night time,